Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and andito pa rin ako sa Greece guys and mayroon pa kaming mga today Sunday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. May mga 4 na araw pa kami dito before kami uuwing Pinas. And then I'm waiting for Martin to be done. Parang may problema siya sa car niya guys, hindi gumagana. Patay kami nito. But anyway, he's trying to fix it. So he's calling his bank and everything. So dito muna ako hintay-hintay. And while I'm waiting for him, I'd like to talk with you guys. Wala lang, may napanood lang akong parang, anong tawag doon, ng video sa YouTube na parang my untold high school story. So I would like to make a video about that too. When I was in high school, guys, parang nabully ako. Kasi hindi ako ganun ka maayos mag-pronounce ng mga English words. And until naman now, hindi pa rin. Pero yung story kasi noon is, alam mo yung nasa high school ka, tapos, member kayo ng mga CAT, yung parang nag-military training, ganyan. So, nasali ako doon kahit na sobrang liit ko, ang payatot ko dati na parang isang ganun lang sa akin, matutumba na ako. But anyway, I joined because I wanted to try it. I wanted to test myself. So, ang nangyari noon, so, grupo-grupo kayo, ganyan. Tapos, parang, hindi ko talaga makalimutan to, na parang, nag-uusap-usap, tapos yung iba, nag-English, ganyan. Tapos ako, I tried to share a story with them. And instead of saying, mayor's office, I said, mayor's office. And then everybody laughed, and there's another girl, I'll not mention her name because maybe she's watching, and she keep on repeating that to me, like, mayor's office, mayor's office, you know. And of course, I got hurt, I got shy at that time, but ayaw kong anong tawag nun? Ayaw kong ipakita kasi ayaw kong makita ng mga tao na parang, oh, she got hurt just because of that, you know. So, parang wala lang ako, tatawa-tawa lang din ako. So, from that day, yung babae na yun, every time na parang, not every time, pero parang minimension niya, tapos natatawa siya, ganyan. Pero sa akin naman, parang, okay, whatever, you know. Not perfect. And then, nung pero magaling naman ako kahit papano. Pero may mga words lang talaga na hindi ko mo pronounce ng tama. And then, nung nag-apply ako ng call center papuntang Manila, yun naman, bully na naman ako, guys. Ang nangyari yun, hindi ko ma-pronounce ang word na, until now, hindi ko pa rin ma-pronounce, audience. Hindi ko siya ma-pronounce ng tama. Pero sa tingin ko man, as you go along with life, hindi naman kailangan talagang perfect pronunciation, as long as yung mga tao na kakausap mo ay naiintindihan ka at naiintindihan mo din sila. So anyway, so it was I already got accepted dun sa call center. So parang may, I think 3 days or 2 days na training before we're gonna fly to Manila. And then they tried to let us read yung mga words, tapos i-pronounce mo. Tapos hindi ko talaga ma-pronounce yung mga audience, mga audio, mga AU, hindi ko ma-pronounce. But anyway, ang nangyari nun, parang pinagtawanan ako. So, ano pa rin ako, parang, oh, shit, like, the same story from high school na parang napagtawanan ako kasi hindi ko ma-pronounce yung isang word. Pero, think about it, ang nangyari sa buhay ko, it's like, pinagtawanan ako, but then, you know, you just pretend, because I didn't know these people. Diba? Parang mga first or second time ko lang din silang nakita. And, so we were sitting there, we were like, I think 21 people there, and then some of them laugh and all that. And we went to Manila, that person actually is naging housemate ko pa. And then inulit-ulit niya yung story. Parang sinabi niya sa other housemates doon. Pero ako naman parang, okay, you're not gonna get any reaction from me because normally if you will react, meaning the other person is winning. So yung ginawa ko parang ignore lang. Ganun. So, yeah. Tapos, after nung, pero nakapagtrabaho din ako. Natuloy din yung pagtatrabaho ko ng call center, ganyan. Mga 3 years to 4 years din akong nag-call center sa Pinas. Hindi man ganun ka-perfect yung mga pronunciation ko, ganyan. But, you know, as you go along with life, Right now, I'm already 34 years old. Madami na din akong napagdaanan, and now I am here in Greece having my vacation, and naisip ko lang ba, yung mga taong bumuli sa akin kahit paano, I mean, they are still doing the same job, I think. Pero ako, like, I'm able to see the world. Diba? So, yung parang moral lesson lang taga, no, hindi tayo dapat mambuli ng mga, ng mga tao. Kasi, we don't know later on na parang they're going to like make it bigger than us, or actually they will be more successful than us. I'm not saying na successful ako, madami pa din akong struggle every single day, especially na I live in Denmark and they're speaking totally different language sa Pilipinas at hindi din English, ganyan. Pero we have to respect each other, and if may pagkakamali man, it would be nice to like correct them but not make fun of them. Ganyan. So, yun yung nangyari sa akin. Tapos, nakita ko yung, na-remember ko lang, kasi nakita ko sa sa Facebook, yung dalawang taong yun, na nambuli sa English ko. Without knowing, napunta ako dito, and, I mean, really, if you're gonna be able to, like, somehow travel, and communicate with other people, madami naman din ibang lahi na hindi perfect yung mga English nila, but then they are being respected, they are being listened. Ano lang talaga, parang feeling ko ang Pinoy lang yung parang sobrang stricto na it has to be perfect English. I think it's a way of putting pride to themselves na when you are English, when you're perfect in English, then that means you're smart and you're gonna be successful. But really, that's not the basis. It can help, but that's not the basis to be, to be successful in life, or alam nyo yung basta yun, sa mga lugar na mga napuntahan ko, hindi naman ganun ka-importante na dapat maging perfect talaga sa mga English na yan. For me, as I realized na parang, you just have to be a kind person, you just have to be hardworking, you just have to know how to make pakisama, and then you're gonna be alright. So, yun. Yun yung aking parang high school story na nasali na din yung parang adult life ko nung nagsisimula pa lang ako sa aking career. Ganyan. Ang tagal ni Martin, uy. At gutom na ako, panay na ng gabi. But it's okay. Then I get time to talk with you guys. So, yun. Nasa Greece pa din kami. I really like it here, to be honest. Pero medyo mahal ba? Pero I really like it here. I feel like I'm just in the Philippines. When I look up, I see the tree that looks like a coconut tree, pero hindi siya coconut tree, guys, kasi may mga maliliit na bunga-bunga, iwan ko ano siya, but anyway, it looks like a coconut tree. Tapos yung weather parang Pinas lang din, yung beach sobrang ganda, parang Pinas lang din, yung mga pagkain, daming mga isda, mga seafood, may rice din. My God, ang saya ng buhay dito. But anyway, I'm really gonna enjoy it, kasi until Thursday lang kami dito. And then I get back in Denmark. We get back in Denmark on Friday very early, like in 4 in the morning, ganyan. But at least the whole Friday is nasa bahay na kami, and then we're able to do the things na kailangan gawin. Because by Monday at that time is back to reality na naman. Work na naman tayo, guys. And yeah, I'm so happy, I'm so thankful looking at it na even though there's a lot of struggles, there's a lot of, mga chorba-chorba, ganyan-ganyan. Ano bang tawag dyan? I mean, every day is not a Christmas day, as they said. So, but, andito pa rin ako, and I think I am successful in my own way, kasi I'm able to provide for myself, I'm able to provide for my family somehow, and may trabaho ako, and even if hindi ganun kayaman, masaya yung buhay ko, guys, kasi yung asawa ko is sobrang easy lang. Alam niyo yun, yung parang sobrang easy lang kasama, very supportive sa mga ginagawa ko. Kaya itong nag-YouTube ako, minsan hindi ko na talaga alam kung anong sasabihin, ano bang i-video ko, tapos sinasabi ko lang sa kanya, okay, I'll take video kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-upload. Tapos automatic, nasa mode na siya na mag-video. As in, sobrang okay lang talaga. So, yun. Hindi perfect ang life. It will never be perfect. Pero, I have to say, I'm very happy and contented sa naging buhay ko somehow. Pero, kailangan pa rin kayod tayo ng kayod para ma-achieve pa rin natin yung mga goals natin in life. Yun guys, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.